Today we talk about how can you log out of your account on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, click here on library down here. When you just click on library, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You go here above this sign, click on it. You come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down. Just keep going down here. So then you come here to log out. You just click on it. Then here automatically here it's going to take you out of your account on your app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.